Welcome to this CapCut tutorial where we will learn how to add a countdown timer in your videos. To start, open the CapCut app and select the project you want to work on. First, tap on the Add Text button, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the text editing menu. From here, select the timer option. You will see a few pre-made timer templates, but we will create a custom one. Tap on the custom timer option and set the start and end time according to your needs. You can choose the timer format, such as seconds, minutes, or hours. After setting the timer, you can customize its appearance by changing the font, color, and size. You can also add a background to the timer to make it more visible. Once you have customized the timer, tap on the Done button to add it to your video. You can then adjust the timer's position and duration in the timeline. To make the countdown more engaging, you can add animations to the timer. To do this, tap on the animation button and select the desired animation effect. Finally, preview your video to ensure the countdown timer is working as expected. If needed, make any necessary adjustments before exporting the final video. By following these steps, you can easily add a countdown timer in CapCut and enhance your videos with this engaging feature. Remember to experiment with different timer styles and animations to find the one that best fits your video's theme and style.